If you want to change your Epic Games account display name, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your name quickly and correctly. This is super helpful if you want your Epic Games profile to match your gamertag, clean up an old name, or simply refresh your account identity. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games account page. You can do that by typing Epic Games account into your browser or going directly to the official account page. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button in the top right corner. Click it, then enter the email and password connected to your Epic Games account. If you use another sign-in method like Google, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo, choose the option that matches your account. After you're signed in, go to the top right corner and click your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Account. This will take you to the Account Settings area, which is where you can manage your profile details. By default, this page usually opens on the Account Settings tab, so you should already be in the right place. Now look for the Account Information section. This is where Epic Games stores the details tied to your profile, including your display name. Next to your current display name, you should see a blue pencil icon. That pencil icon is the edit button, so click it to begin changing your name. A new window or form will appear asking for your new display name. Carefully type the name you want to use in the new display name field. Make sure it's spelled exactly how you want it to appear in games and on your account. Then type the same name again in the confirm display name field so the system can verify it matches. Take a moment here to double check everything because this is the name other players will see. Once both fields match, you'll need to confirm that you understand Epic Games has a restriction on display name changes. Check the box that says you understand you cannot change your display name again for 2 weeks. This is an important step because Epic enforces a cooldown period after every name change. After checking the box, click the blue confirm button to save your new display name. Give it a second to process, and once it's done, your Epic Games account display name should be updated. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Epic Games account display name. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.